You see the prize over here. Have a look on the way by. When you're ready to play, walk on in. No appointment needed. Hey, you get one. You ready? Come on over. I'll tell you how to play. I'll show you how to win.
Hey, want to play some basketball? Yeah, one and West, check it out, let's go. Who's up, who's next, who's ready for it?
Well, first wins it gets the prize. We're going in 3, 2, 1, fire!
Prize every time here, guys. The more you pop, bigger the prize. Pop, pop, pop. Check it out.
You guys heading out? See y'all next year.